Alright mga katrops, welcome back to our channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa Gas King mga katrops. Yan, ito yung Gas King oh. Yan, Gas King. Dito lang to sa Mayor Magrat. At yun yung Snacks King. Ang gagawin natin dito ngayon mga katrops, magka-carwash tayo. Yan, ito yung carwash day nila mga katrops. Ito tinatawag na 1-1. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung magka-carwash dito mga katrops. What happened? At meron din silang automatic car wash yung tinatawag ng touchless car wash mga katrops. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung saan ito banda mga katrops sa yung car wash na touchless. Alright, yung touchless car wash na mga katrops. So it's even dadaan yung sasakyan sa loob ng bay at wala lang gagawin. But yung gagawin natin dito mga katrops sa sasakyan natin mano-mano. So yan, para makamura tayo. Sara mo natin yung pinto. Yan, bago kayo mag-carwash mga katrops, sarahin mo yung pinto sa front at back. Yan, ito yung kotse natin mga katrops na sa-carwash. Are you ready boys? Ready? Are you ready or no? Yeah. How about Kathleen? Are you ready for the carwash? So ito yung mga katrops. Ito yung machine na dito. Yan. Ang gagastusin natin ay $3 lang. Kasi maglalagay tayo ng $1 sa rinse, $1 sa soap, saka $1 ulit sa rinse. Alright? Yan, ready na sila oh. So unahin natin mga drops yung rinse. Are you ready guys? Ready for the rinse? First, yeah? Okay, here we go. We're gonna put the coins first, then we're gonna do the car wash thing. Alright! So dyan na kayo mga drops at ikakarwash natin yung sasakyan. Okay?
A few moments later.
Yan. Ito na yung soap namin mga katrops. No time. First we rinse it. Then we put soap. Good job, kid. Yeah. That's how you do it. You put soap. Ang gagawin mo dito mga katrops para makatipid kayo, bilisan nyo. So make it fast, Marley. Kasi $1 lang to eh. So $1 soap. See? Quickie. This is a quickie car wash. $1 soap. Yeah. Good job, boys. Then, after that, we put the water. I mean the rinse. Are you ready for your rinse? Yeah. Good job. Come on, kid. There's more? Yeah. Let's brush it. Need to brush it, kids. There's more, see? Bubbles. Woo! Car wash. Kathleen turn. How about Kathleen? It's your turn, Kathleen. No, it's Kathleen turn na. Kathleen turn, dali. Oh, wow. Good job, Kathleen. Yeah. Good job, baby. Kaya mga katrops, yung advice ko sa inyo, pagka nag-carwash kayo sa Gas King, bilisan lang kasi $1 lang itong soap namin eh. Kung gusto nyo maraming soap, magdagdag lang kayo dito ng pera nyo at ilalabas yung mga choices. Alright, so are you ready for your rinse, boys? Yeah? Okay. Do it. Wait. Are you done, Kathleen? So yan mga katrops, katapos na namin maglagay ng soap. Si Marley ready na sa rinse. Ito na. Oh. You put $1 first here. Then you wait for the choices. We're gonna choose rinse number 7. Marley, are you ready? Okay. Here we go. Rinse. Here we go. Go! Push the button. Here we go. We go that side first. That's how you do it, Don. Yeah, are you going to do that? Okay. You excited for your turn? Yeah. Woo, car wash. Kid, you're next, kid.
Ah, what a job!
Yeah, it's your turn. Okay, wait. Good job, Marley. Yun, dime turn mga katrop. Woo! Good job, dime. Yeah, that's how it really goes outside then. Yeah, that's how then, no? Yeah. That's how you do it. The back side now. There's more. Yeah. Good job, dime. Yeah, right there. Yeah, wait, Kathleen. It's your turn after dime, okay? Good job, dime. This side, ano? Faster. $2 car wash. Hey, Kathleen's turn. Woo. Yay! Good job, Kathleen. Don't shoot, Papa. It's over there.
I want to do the people.
Yeah. Okay, kid, let's turn now. Look, done.
We're done, ah?
Yeah. After this, mga kaprops, we're gonna wipe everything.
Just
Okay.
the wipe.
The wipe. Because we're gonna make it dry. Right, Dime? I have a wipe thingy here, the wipe towel. Yes. How are you? Oh, wipe.
Tignan, ah.
There you go. Kathleen. Kathleen, after that, you're gonna wipe now. Because you like it, your car wash when you're
Kathleen,
small.
help me to wipe it, Kathleen.
Okay, good job, Kathleen. Nice. Good job, boys. You wiping the car. Thank you. You have a reward later, right, Time?
What did the window?
Yeah.
What window?
Yan mga katrops, kung nagbabala kayong maglinis ng sakyan, nare-recommend ko tong gas king. Dito lang to sa Mirror Magdrop mga katrops. Yan. Makakatipid ka dito mga katrops eh, at family bundle na rin to. Natututo silang maglinis ng task nila. Kasi yung task nila ngayong araw nito maglilinis eh. Yeah, good job boys and girls. Hey, Lynn, stop it! Don't shoot me! Okay, done? Mga katrops, Gas King Car Wash. Dito lang sa Lightbird Alberta mga katrops. Alright. Sabi na mo, nagpapatuloy na sila ngayon. Oh. Good job, Time. Ayan, malinis na yung sasakyan. Patutuyuin lang ito at dutubo na naman sa susunod natin mga blahe. Alright, so yan. Nare-recommend ako itong Gas King Car Wash sa Slam Snacks King. Doon sa may convenience store nila. Ayan. Huwag kayong magmadali pag nag-car wash kayo dito kasi unlimited yung time dito. Eh. Take your time, ayusin nyo yung paglilinis ng sasakyan nyo. Yan, kasi pagka ilang buwan na lang mag-wear ka na naman eh. So, yan. Basta mo, take advantage natin itong paglilinis ng sasakyan. Alright? At saka, yan yung mga bata, parang naglilibang lang. So, nandito na siguro yung munting vlog natin sa Gas King Car Wash. Stay tuned and rock and roll. Peace out.
Bye!